Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Sebastián Narváez. Here is my ID. Here today we are going to talk about the parts of a journal article in APA style. As we know, a part of a journal can be different, but we are going to talk about the APA style. As we know, journal articles are the main means to communicate the advances in research in all fields and serve writers to share the results of their investigation works with all the academic community. Now here we are going to start. Now first we have the title. We know the title is very important. We must need the title to attract the writer's attention. This time the title is the Procrastination and Self-Efficacy in Undergraduate College Students. First we have the preliminary section. As we know, in the preliminary section we write a little bit about the authors of the journal. Okay, so now here we have Raymond Brown Jones and the topic Procrastination and Self-Efficacy in Undergraduate Students. This is a journal of motivation and science. First we start with the abstract. As you can see here, the abstract is a summary of the content of the journal. So in that way we can introduce, before the introduction, the reader will know better what he is going to read about. And this time about this journal, it says that procrastination among college students is increasingly prevalent across universities, warranting examination of contributing factors and potential impacts like diminished self-efficacy. This quantitative study analyzed the correlation between procrastination tendencies using the General Procrastination Scale, late 1986. An academic capability believes measures by the Self-Efficacy Questionnaire Bandura 2006 in a sample of 319 graduate students across majors at a large Northeastern University. Results show a moderate negative association, indicating students who tend to delay tasks frequently also report lower confidence in academic skills. We have some keywords for this homework. You can see journal article structure, procrastination, self-efficacy, undergraduate students, quantitative study, correlational analysis, academic skills performance, time management, integrated support strategies. We must remember that the keywords used allow readers to know specifically the topics the article is covering in the body. Next, we continue with the introduction. We know that the introduction is a clear definition of the problem addressed and its importance in the field of study. An introduction must be always clear for the readers, so they will know about the topic. About this journal, we have generalized procrastination occurs chronically across situations. Still 2010. High procrastination severely hinders college students, correlating to generally lower grades. Kim and Seo 2015. Limited research ties this delay directly to students' academic self-efficacy, warranty further study. Here then we have the methods. As we know, all the methods carry all the details about this research. In this case, participants took an online survey containing the two validated instruments. Pearson correlation analysis determined the statistical interrelationship between procrastination tendencies and self-efficacy beliefs based on this database using SPSS software. We continue with the results and discussion. As we know, the author or researcher presents all the data gathered and analyzed through pictures, tables, or figures. Of course, the author or the researcher will choose pictures, tables, or figures to show all the data that he gathered. Here for this journal, we have a scatter plot diagram with moderately negative slope trend line crossing the graph. On the x-axis is the label procrastination scores, and on the y-axis is the label academic self-efficacy ratings. A moderate negative correlation is shown between procrastination scores and academic self-efficacy ratings, indicating a moderate negative relationship between procrastination scores and academic capability ratings. This suggests interventions targeting time management may also improve students' self-assurance. Here we have this, as you can see, the scatter plot diagram. Over here you can see the relation between academic self-efficacy ratings and the procrastination scores. We continue with the conclusion. The moderate negative correlation indicates time management delays can diminish students' self-assurance to complete work successfully. These results carry noteworthy implications given that capability beliefs themselves shape motivation and achievement behaviors. Findings confirm procrastination's link to capability gaps, implying integrated support strategies rather than isolated services may best serve strugglers. At the end, now we have here the references. I believe that's everything. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.